Chilling by the private creek on the property somewhere in Oregon. But I wanted to do a quick update. So I have had a career focus change. I don't know if many of you know, but since about 2008, I've been nursing major focused. And long story short, I was going to Temple University in Philadelphia in 2008, high school class of 2008. But yeah, after about 2 years, from the start, my father didn't pay at all, unfortunately, for his own personal reasons. And my mother just so happened to move to Cali the year I graduated. So financial stuff was really tough the first 2 years. In 2010, decided to leave. So I've kind of been on and off from the nursing major because I don't know, it was just kind of tough to find the right school moving out to the West, and I wasn't really sure if my mom would be financially capable for round two for college. So I was trying community colleges and stuff, but honestly nothing felt right. It's a huge commitment, and where you get your degree really matters, which is why I was going to Temple. I should have been going to University of Pitt. Long story short, teacher was late with the letter of recommendation, so I went to Temple. So I really wanted to complete my education in a school I really believed in. So I tried again in Alaska, which is why mainly I was in Alaska, to go to University of Alaska of Anchorage. And I got waitlisted in 2016 for about 2 years or so. So I made a decision to come to Oregon, just start working on this farm. And I've been here for about a year and a half. But the past few months, I've changed to computer science, mainly focusing in software development and also web development. Kind of a mixture of both, and how I'm doing it kind of are both intertwined. So I've been teaching myself intensively because one thing college did teach me was how to understand the importance of a curriculum and just a pathway to learning anything, So I really developed my own curriculum. Currently, I am on the road to being more advanced with the Python language. I'm pretty well versed with HTML and CSS. Soon after I do some things with Python, I shall be hopefully attempting to master JavaScript. So I should have a really strong foundation with web development, and I'll be doing some more database intensive stuff like with MySQL, and I really enjoy data management. So probably in the long run, I'm assuming I would be really involved with Python development and just web apps and data management. I could really just see that, and just anything with JavaScript, to be honest. That's really my main focus. Really though, I've been doing a lot of cryptocurrency videos because technically I am a professional cryptocurrency trader. I do make money from that. And more and more, I hope to have that be a good means of living, like a good means of extra income. But I have been developing this private software for cryptocurrency trading. Long story short, I have become pretty skilled in Python. So I've been developing probably my pride and joy right now. My exit plan, I believe. It's this automated trading software, and basically it would be able to trade according to my trading algorithms, preferably almost 24/7. Now, there are definitely cryptocurrency trading bots out there, but they're not customizable. Most of them are on cloud services, which to me sounds just sketchy from the get. I personally am not even running my software on a cloud at the moment, and I don't believe I need to. They're not customizable, they're not flexible. There are open source bots, but still there's an idea of just having the source code and the core code copyrighted to you. This is financial software. Sky's the limit. So if you are tied to a certain developer or programmer, or let's say they shut down their site, or they edit their stuff, or they raise the prices, because most of these programs you lease them per month, and that's another issue. Me personally, I'm not really a fan of paying anywhere from thousands to thousands of dollars for a bot. So I've been really trying to perfect this code. I really can't find too many sources on, there's really no how to really for what I'm designing. So it's extremely complex. I wouldn't say it's artificial intelligence, but it's pretty close, you know, with all the conditionals and the fact that it reacts to the live market. So yeah, that's really my main focus. It should be an interesting way to just transfer and keep my nomadic life going. You know, in a lot of ways I have been a digital nomad, do sell music every now and then with my hip hop beats and you know, YouTube, and I also do a few other things behind the scenes to make some money, not enough to survive, but now with the cryptocurrency trading, which I've been really successful with so far, you know, that, you know, I've been trying to teach people kind of my tips, my strategies, and more so as time goes by, I just really want to train people to be successful as well. I'm not really trying to sell you anything. You know, as far as cryptocurrency traders go, you know, the respect I have to other traders, I'm not trying to profit off of you. I want to see you make money, you know, so I will never really have any paid courses or paid information. I am down to consult individuals, you know, on a, you know, day-to-day, weekly basis. As far as day trading and cryptocurrency trading goes, you know, that I would charge because that's just how the industry works. But, you know, as far as information I choose to voluntarily give out, I'll always be down, especially with programming. I do feel like it's kind of weird with the tutorials and stuff online right now. I don't feel like I've really gotten the best education from like other people. More so, a lot of my education comes from, you know, official documentation or legitimate sites that have like articles written out by professionals. So I would like to make you know, a lot of crash course guides on programming. Eventually I will make a video on how I made my cryptocurrency trading software, but for now it really does need to be private, because I do have a partner. He's not a programmer, but he's more on the financial accounting cryptocurrency market side of things, and he does have some connections too with some other people. So it's still really private, and I'm almost at testing phase. I do have I have ran one successful test if the looping and stuff works, so I'm making progress. But yeah, I just want y'all to know what I'm up to. You know, it's been a long journey. You know, I've been doing a lot of odd jobs, you know, restaurants, and, you know, even here working on this farm, I've learned a lot. But, you know, I'm going to soon be moving out of the farm, and that'll be on a different video. Just waiting on some more news from a friend to see if we are potentially moving to a new city. But rather than that, yeah, I hope everyone's well, peaceful. Just wanted once again to keep you updated. You know, it's been a long journey since living in my car in Alaska below 0 degrees, but we're here. You know, we're looking healthy. We're looking kind of good. You know. I don't want people to think, you know, just because I've been living in my van or I'm on a farm, that I don't enjoy life. You know, like I'm still minimalistic. Everything I buy is really just what I value. You know, and sometimes it's nice to, you know, look good for yourself, you know, just be happy. You know, if you are going to be successful, do it with a smile on your face. And you know, that's really what I've been trying to do since 2008. I went to begin my path to nursing school. I just wanted to do something that made me happy. And now with computer science, you know, computer programming and whatnot, and even cryptocurrency trading, I enjoy it. I have fun. You know, even right now, I'm making money on the market, you know, passively and actively. I just want this channel to somehow maybe piece together for someone else to, you know, if success and, you know, financial abundance is what you want in a positive, wholesome way, then hopefully this channel can get you on the path to doing that as well. And if you have any questions, as always, you can ask me. You know, it is my perspective, but I'm a normal guy. I'm a simple guy. You know, I was supposed to, you know, have a very straightforward, linear life, you know, go to nursing school by the age of 22, you know, making $50,000 to $70,000 a year, you know, blah, blah, blah. You know, here I am, 28, you know, somewhere on a 6-acre farm, and I'm just recreating it, you know, on my own terms. I know a lot of us have parents, and maybe they do support you. Maybe they did pay for your college, but for me, it wasn't that simple. And I could say that I'm enjoying life, you know, I could do whatever I want, buy whatever I want, you know, go wherever I want, move wherever I want, eat however I want, and still spread love and peace, you know, not have any anger or spite towards anything in my past. Only peace, positivity, productivity, progression, and proactivity for my future. And hopefully your future as well. Divine Zeal, signing out. I hope everyone is well. Peace.